Hello guys, welcome to my channel How to Learn. In this video, I want to explain about many-to-many relationship using Spring Boot Hibernate with JPA annotations. Guys, first of all, I will explain an example for many-to-many relationship. Okay, assume like there are two tables. One is courses, another one is students. Okay, and here we have fields are course ID and course name. In students, we have two fields, student ID and student name. Okay guys, and assume like here there are multiple courses. Like for first course ID, I have my course name is Java, and for second one, it's Spring Boot. And for third one, it's Spring. Okay, and assume like there are three students, 1, 2, 3. First one name is Anil, and second guy name is Satya, and the third guy name is Venkat. Assume like Anil is interested in Spring and Spring Boot. Okay, I am writing here for your clarity guys. Wait, Anil is interested in Spring and Spring Boot. Okay, and Satya is interested in Java, Spring and Spring Boot also. Okay, and again Venkat is interested in Java and Spring. Okay, here guys, if you carefully observe, like observe here, for here the two tables are sharing many-to-many relationship. How means Anil is a student, Satya is a student, Venkat is a student. These guys are having interested in many courses. Like Anil is interested in Spring and Spring Boot. Like that, many students have interest in many courses, and many courses have selected by many students. Means they are sharing many-to-many relationship. Okay, I think you guys got this a clear picture about this relationships. Okay, if you have any queries about this relationship also, you can comment it in comment section. And another thing guys, here I am using many-to-many JPA annotation, which is used to link source entity with target entity. And many-to-many association always uses an intermediate join table to store the association that joins two entities, and the join table is defined using @join table annotation. Means by declaring this table you can create a join table. Okay, and in this video I am using Spring Boot, Hibernate and JDK on Pointage, and my ID is STS, which is Spring Toolsuite, and Spring Data JPA, and my database is MySQL. Okay, I think you guys got a clear picture about this. And now let's go to project implementation. If you want to go to project implementation, we have to create a project, right? Now I am creating a project. After going to Spring Initializer, first of all I want to change my package name. It is com.example. I want to change it to com.how-to-learn. Okay, and I want to change my project name, Spring Boot many-to-many. Okay, and I want to change my Java version from 11 to 8, as in my mission I am using Java 8 version. And I want to add dependencies here. First one is Spring Web. Spring Web helped me to get a default embedded Tomcat. Okay, and Spring Data JPA. It is for Hibernate and data, Spring Data JPA, and MySQL driver. Okay guys, I think you have a clarity up to here. Now I am generating my project. My project is generated. Now I want to import it guys. Now I will go to my Spring Toolsuite and go to File, click on Open Project from File System, click on Archive, and click on my project and open. Now I want to select only Maven. Now click on finish. If you guys observe, now my project is updating here. Okay. And after my project is updated, I want to add application properties in application.properties. Okay guys. Here it is my project. Now I am adding my properties in application.properties file. Now I will explain what are these properties. It is data source URL. It is my DB name. Okay, database name. Okay. And it is my username and password for my database. And it is my dialect for my SQL. Suppose I am using Oracle, I want to change dialect which is related to Oracle. And it is a hibernate property. And I mean like it is a Spring JPA property. And it is my hibernate property for logging level. Okay guys. First of all, I want to check whether I have my database or not. Use demo. Yep guys, I have a database. Let's check whether any tables are there. There are no tables in here. And now I want to create a package guys for entities. Okay. Give a right click here. Go to new package and dot entity. Now I want to create here two classes. One is student, another one is courses. Go to new class and I want to name it as student. Sorry guys, I want to rename it. I got a spell mistake. Refactor and rename. Okay, it's done guys. Now you want to specify here entity annotation. And I want to create here some variables. First one is ID. As it is my primary key, I want to give ID annotation here. For specifying it is my primary key. And I don't want to give values for ID guys. I want to generate it automatically. Generated value. Okay. And want to select my strategy, which is identity. My second variable is student name. I am declaring it now. Private string student name. Okay guys. Now I want to generate set getters for it. Go to source and generate set getters. Okay. Click on generate. Now I want to save it. Now I want to create another class, which is course. Click on finish and I want to repeat it here. Same thing. Want to declare here entity and sorry guys, I don't know why I'm getting error. Yes, now I got it. And guys, now I want to declare again an ID here as it is my primary key and I don't want to generate, I don't want to give my values manually. I am using generated value here also. Okay. And I want to declare here another variable which is course name. Course name. Private string course name. And I want to generate set getters for here also. Go to source, generate set getters, select all, generate. Now I will explain you guys how to give a many-to-many relationship for student table and courses table. Declare here a set which is type courses and give it the name course equal to new hash setup. Okay, and I want to import this set from the util package. Okay, and I want to specify here it is of many to many relationship. Okay, and I want to say here about this cascade. My cascade type is all. The cascade is for propagation operation from one entity to another entity. Propagation is like, suppose I have changed something here, it want to be affected in another table also, then it will be affected if I mention here cascade. Okay, and here I want to give @ join table annotation. Now let's save it and generate set getters for it also. Go to source, generate set getters for course only. Click on save. Now go here guys to courses and give private set of student equal to new hash set of. Again I want to import here both set and hash set. Okay, again here I want to generate set getters. Click on set all and generate. Okay guys, and I want to here also I want to declare @ ManyToMany annotation. Okay, and I want to declare here it is mapped by, I want to give the reference which I have declared here. The reference is course. Okay, and it finished guys, and if I want to give cascade I can also give it here. I want to give cascade.type all. Now guys, another thing is remaining, which is repositories. If I want to save data, I should have repository. So I am creating a package for repository guys. .repo. One is student repository, another is course repository. Go to new interface, student repo. Click on enter. I want to declare here @ repository annotation. To specify it is a repository. Okay, and I want to extend it with JPA repository. JPA repository. Here I want to mention my class name, which is student. Okay guys, and I want to import it. Here I want to give primitive type for my primary key. What is my primitive type of primary key? It is long. Okay, and I want to do the same for courses also guys. New interface, courses repo. Go here and declare a repository annotation here. Now I want to import it again. Again I want to extend JPA repository. Again I want to give here my class, which is courses. I want to import it. Again I want to give here primary key of my class, primitive type of my primary key in my class. Okay, my class is courses. Here primary key is type is long, and the long primitive type is this one, long. Okay, now I am saving my data here. How I will save my data means I will implement it with command line runner. Guys, do you have any idea about command line runner? If you don't have also, no worry guys, I will explain what is it. Command line runner have one method, which is run. Whenever I run this application, my command line runner also executes. And defaultly what I will do means I will write some data to, I will write some logic to store data guys. Then whenever my application runs, run method also runs, and code in run method also runs, where I will write a code to save my data. Okay. Now first of all, I want to auto wire, which class means student repo class. Student repo. Now I want to import these classes. Okay, and I want to save my data. First of all, I'm creating a reference for student. Student is equal to new student. And I want to import this class, guys. Okay, I want to give data s dot set student name Anil. Okay, and I want to create reference for courses. Courses equal to new courses. C dot add of C dot set my course name, which is Java, and I want to declare another course also, which is springboot, guys. Okay, and here I want to create a set of courses C are equal to new hash set of, and I want to import this set and hash set. Okay, now I want to add data here. dot add course and course 1. Okay, and what I want to do, I want this to add in my student, which is having courses. Okay, guys, as I said, it is a bidirectional. I want to add it in both courses also. Okay, and C dot add student. First of all, I want to create a reference for, a set for students also. Set of students equal to new hash set. Okay, and st dot add of one student. Now I want to create another students also, guys, which is student s1 equal to new student s1 dot add, it's s1 dot set, which is my name, student name. I want to give it Satya. Okay, and again I want to add this courses set into my s1 also, which is CR. Okay, in my courses I want to add just student set. As I said, it is bidirectional. Okay, guys. Okay, C and C1. Okay, here it is ST. Now I want to save my data. How I can save? To my srepo I can save my data. srepo dot save. First one is S, and another reference is S1. Okay, guys, now I am running my application. Okay, let's check what happened. Run as Spring Boot app. Okay, it is running, guys. Now it will be Okay, I'm getting an exception. Let's check what it is. Okay, error creating bean in entity manager factory, and it's like there is some error in courses table, guys. I think so. There is error in courses table only. Let's check code. Okay, guys, here if you observe, I want to put it top of the student. Okay, now I will save it. Let's run our application again. Let's check what happens. Okay, guys, I think so this time it will run successfully. Let's go to our database, guys. Let's check what are the tables in this database. I mean, tables are created in this database. There are 3 tables created, guys. So let's check every table. Select asterisk from courses. It is my first table created, and it is having 2 courses, Java and Spring Boot. Okay, and my another table is student, right? It's student, guys. Select asterisk from student. Okay, this is having ID 1 to student name Anil and Satcha. If you remind from the courses table, it is having Java and Spring Boot. Now what I want to check? I want to check another table which is course student. Sorry, student course. Okay, student course. It is the join table created from courses and student. If you observe carefully, student ID 1 means it is a student. He is interested in course ID 1 and course ID 2. 1 means Java and 2 means Spring Boot. And student ID 1 is having name Anil, means Anil is interested in both Java and Spring Boot. Okay. And if you observe student ID 2, it is Satcha. Satcha is interested in Java, and again Satcha is interested in Spring Boot, means many students having interest in many courses, means many courses are being selected by many students. I think so you got it, guys. Here student and courses tables are maintaining many-to-many relationship. Okay, and I want to show you another thing. If you go to my YouTube channel, you can find many videos, guys. Not only this many-to-many relationship, but also many things like videos on HackerRank. And in HackerRank, I have 21 videos, guys, based on Java only, and Java 8. Java 8 very important, guys, when we are learning Spring Boot, because in real time you are going to use Java 8 only. And Spring Boot, I have 16 videos. In Hibernate, 2 videos, and job updates, free courses, installations, and Java coding tricks. Guys, please check this coding tricks, guys. You will definitely like it. And guys, if you have any queries, you can comment it in comment section also. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe my channel.